Hey, let me show you unboxing of Powerbeats Pro 2nd generation and also overview of the all features that you can find on your iPhone and Android devices. Okay, so let's quickly go inside. To open this box, we have to remove this foil. And right now, we are able to go inside. Okay, so this is the plastic charging case. On the back, we can find input for USB-C cable. At the bottom, we can find this sticker that we have to actually remove. And what we can find here, okay, there's actually nothing. When you open the case, we can find pairing button. There's the LED indicator, and the earbuds actually make sound when we take them out of this case. It looks like that. So the new feature that we can find, there's the heart rate sensor that we can find on the both earbuds. And if you are wondering how it works, then I'm gonna make comparison to my Apple Watch Series 10. And of course, we get also these ear tips that we can remove and change sizes. It's actually quite easy to take them off, much easier than on AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Right here we can find physical buttons. There's the microphone and another one. Right here we can also find wear detection sensor on the left and the right one. And if you are wondering about these two silver circles, they are actually used for charging. This is actually magnetic attachment. Now let's take a look what you can find in the box. Okay, so as you can see right here, we can find an additional ear tips, and we can actually find 5 different sizes. We can find here extra small, small. Right here we've got medium, large, and extra large. And in this place, we can actually find this product guide by scanning this one. We get also a free trial of Apple Music, and right here we can find Beats sticker. And in this place, we can actually find some other things like safety information. So as you can see, there's actually no cable, no charger inside. And now let's move into iPhone and Android phone. Okay, so first of all, let's start from iOS device. And first I want to mention all of these features that are actually hidden that you cannot actually find inside settings. Okay, so on the left and the right one, right here, you can find physical button. It's actually hidden under this surface and you can feel when you press on it. And when you press once, you can play or pause your media. It works the same for the left and the right one. If you are gonna quickly double tap, like that, you will turn next song. And if you are gonna quickly tap 3 times, you are gonna turn previous song. We can find here noise cancellation, transparency mode, and for sure we can turn it off. You can also manage this noise control by using your buttons. Take a look. Now I'm gonna click and hold it. 2 seconds. We turn it off. Another 2 seconds. We are gonna switch to the transparency mode. And you can also customize it. So you can select if you want to actually use Siri or the noise controller for the left and the right one. When you press once, we can answer a call. When we press once, we can mute or unmute. But when we are during the phone call, and when we press twice, we can end call. And here, what we can change, we can replace press once or twice for mute, unmute, and end call. There's also the heart rate sensor that you can turn on and off. There's automatic ear detection like I mentioned before. We can also find spatial audio. You can even select which microphone you want to use. Only left, right, or for example, both of them. When you go into accessibility, you can also use noise cancellation with one earbud. There's also, the head tracking for spatial audio. And you can turn off this case tones. And you can even increase or decrease this sound. When you scroll at the bottom, you can find the warranty. This is all features that you can use on your iPhone. So now let's move into Android phone. Okay, so first of all, let's check if we can pause and play. Yeah, as you can see, we can do this. Now let's check if we can change songs. Yes, for sure we can do this. And now let's find out if noise cancellation works. Yeah, it's also working. Right now I just turned on the transparency mode. And right now I turn on noise cancellation. Let's find out if we can also use this button. So as you can see, there's also some features that works on Android device. And another good point of this one, you can actually find Beats application in Google Play Store, and you can actually get the same features, access to the same features like on your iOS device. Take a look. There's also automatic ear detection, noise control and voice assistant, heart rate, case tones, tone volume, call controls, ear tip fit test. You can select microphone, noise cancellation with one earbud, and things like serial number. You can register your device and you can even get updates. Here you can also quickly turn on and off the heart rate sensor. So yeah, that's pretty cool that Beats, it's actually Apple product, and that actually allows us to get these features straight on our Android phone. This is something that you actually cannot get on AirPods Pro 2nd generation, AirPods 3rd generation, or 4th generation. So this is it for this video. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.